Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video I will show you how to disable the weather and more feature on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 lock screen. And now let's get started. If your device is running on Windows 11 version 23H2 or later, or Windows 10 version 22H2 or later, you might be seeing the weather and more option on your lock screen. If you wish to disable this feature, here is a straightforward method. Begin by performing a right-click on your desktop, and then select Personalize. Once you are in the personalization settings, look for the lock screen option and click on it. Within the lock screen settings, you need to locate the lock screen status section. This is where you can choose an app to display detailed status information on your lock screen. If the weather and more feature is currently active, you will see it listed under the lock screen status. To disable it completely, simply select None from the available options. This action will effectively turn off the lock screen status on your Windows device. Alternatively, if you prefer to display information from a different app, you can choose any other application listed in this section. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.